guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are coming with you with a collab video. And in this video I am part of a small little group and we are called the Funky Bunch. It is just makes me kind of want brunch. So in this group, we're a group of 4 ladies. So the other 3 ladies, the first one is Debbie from Debbie Knobloch. She is amazing, you guys. Just so bubbly, so just like full of life, and she just makes me want to like skip. Like, that's her personality is just so warming. I love it. Her channel, of course, named Debbie Knobloch, very makeup focused. She does a lot of fantastic looks. She also does some like tried out Thursdays with her son, and it's fun to watch them try out new type of snacks and drinks. She does a lot of collaborations with close friends, and it's just a great way that she shows her love to other channels, other people in her life, and I think that is so inspiring. And yeah, she's doing an amazing job. So also in this group we have Anya from Pink Sweets. The I in pink is the #1. And yeah, do I even have to introduce Anya? Like, you guys know Anya, but if you don't, Anya is one of my closest, dearest friends, and honestly, the minute I met her, I was like, why aren't we neighbors? Like, why are we not closer together? And I'm so upset because I was just recently in Washington, and she is so close to Washington. I was this close, you guys, this close to seeing Anya face to face. And I missed that chance because I don't know, it just didn't dawn on me to tell her where I was, and I missed it. But don't worry, because I'm gonna go back to Washington and I'm gonna see her. So Anya, I'm coming. So a little bit about Anya's channel. If you haven't checked it out, please go check her out. She does amazing color looks. I definitely would say Anya is so out there with her looks. They're pop. She does great type of first impressions, palette reviews. She also does a lot of collaborations, showing love to other channels. The collaboration ideas are always so fresh and unique, and I love seeing them. And lastly, in this group, we have sweet Arielle. Oh my gosh, Arielle is like the little sister I wish I had. You guys, like, you know when you meet that person and you're like, I wish like we grew up together and we did like all the sibling things together. That's my feels for Arielle. She is adorable. And so yeah, Arielle also has her own channel, and she is doing such an amazing job. She lives out in the woods. I mean, she showed me a picture and I was like, is that Jason Voorhees back there? Like, that is the woods, girl, the woods. I wouldn't make it. I'm gonna tell you right now, I wouldn't make it, but she is amazing. Yeah, go check her out. Just go check her out. Right now she's doing a September no buy. More power to you. You have my support. You can make this. You can make this no buy so easily. So she's doing also like a vlog, which I thought was a really nice way to document a no buy, because I know I'd be going crazy, but I never thought of like seeing someone else go through it day by day. So if you want to see that experience, please go check out her channel. She does really amazing swatches, you guys. Like, they're so pretty, and I love her music choices in her videos. It always makes me happy and just like want to dance when I'm watching her videos. She does great tutorials, great palette reviews, and yeah, she is just a well-rounded channel. All the ladies in this group are just amazing, and I'm so blessed that we are friends, and I'm so thankful that you wanted me to be in this group with you guys. It's great. It's great when you find people in your life that you can connect with further than just like, hey, how you doing today? You know, like, that's what I feel about these ladies. I could tell them about anything I'm going through, fun or not fun, no matter my flaws, no matter my craziness. And just, I feel the love. I feel the love, I feel the support, the encouragement, and I hope I'm giving that back to you guys just as much as you're giving it to me. It's amazing. It is amazing. So thank you, Funky Bunch, and I'm one of the Funky Bunches. So to christen our new group, we decided to do a makeup look that's funky. This is what I consider funky. So this collaboration idea, basically we pick 3 palettes. which is really hard, but we picked 3 palettes and we use 2 shades out of the palettes. And the 3 palettes are supposed to be like our favorites. And yeah, we're just gonna rock and roll with this funky look. So, yes, long intro. If you're ready to see how I created this funky makeup look for our funky bunch group, then please stay tuned, grab a snack, and let's get into this video, because I'm so excited. Start off this look, I'm going to prime my eyes, and I'm using the Moondust Eyeshadow Primer. This was actually a recommendation from Arielle, and I've been really liking it lately, so I'm going to add a little bit of this primer to my eyes, and we'll move on. So brows are already done, and I made them purple just to go with the theme of this funky look, and I thought it would be just really cute. So I used some Inglot gel eyeliners. So yeah, I have a variety of colors, and so I just chose to do purple for the eyebrows. Okay, so the first palette that I picked as my favorite, we're going in with the Glam Light Paint Palette. This is just absolutely stunning. Now, I haven't had this palette for a long time. I think I actually got it like 2 weeks ago, but I have been loving it. I love the colors. I love the creativity that went into creating this palette, and it's aesthetically pleasing, and I just can't stop looking at it. So it has quickly gone up to one of my favorite palettes. And yeah, so in this palette, I will be reaching for the 2 shades, and it's going to be purple and fuchsia right here. So purple and fuchsia right here, and yeah, so let's go ahead and create a dome look. I'm going to add purple as deep as I can, just right here in my crease, and then I'm gonna buff that out with fuchsia, and then we'll move on to our next palette. Okay, and next I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. You guys know I love doing cut creases, but today instead of doing a full cut crease, I'm gonna do more of like a halo cut crease, or cut in the center of my eyelid. I'll still use this product, and so yes, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so that is done, and now we're jumping into our second palette choice. Again, this is not in any specific order, but really just like how I'm trying to get my look together. So the next palette that I want to share with you guys is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. Definitely a favorite. I mean, from the packaging to the fact that it's an all blue palette, I mean, it's beautiful, you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the two shades I'll be jumping into will be this one right here and Cullinan right here. And the pinky tone is called Untouchable. And so I'm going to use Untouchable to just buff out the outer corner of this look. And then I'll do Cullinan as a brow highlight and a little bit here in the corner. Blah, blah, I can't talk. So let's go ahead and do that. Just, such a gorgeous shade. Such a gorgeous shade. You guys get like so happy about eyeshadows and you're like, yes, that is me. Okay, and now we are down to our last palette choice, and this palette definitely has a very special, I can't even say special enough. Just such a heartfelt connection, and I tear up every time I see it. This is the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and it's not really because of the palette itself, but okay. But this was the palette I was using when Travis proposed to me, and yeah. Every time I look at this palette, I'm just like, I remember that day, I remember everything I was doing, and after I filmed the look with this palette, I got asked to be married. And yeah, it is, yeah. So this is what the palette looks like, and it's basically an all shimmer palette. It's my favorite palette, and it's my favorite palette because just looking at it reminds me of that day, and I couldn't be more happy, I couldn't be more grateful to Travis, and just for like the love that we've grown and we've shared. And yeah, so this palette just reminds me of that day every time. So we're definitely gonna use it. It is definitely my favorite palette. It will always be my favorite palette. Great memories, great memories. So we're in this palette, we're gonna go in with Light Year, which is this green shade. And then, I'm running out of like creative like things to do on my eyes. And then we're gonna go in with maybe something purpley. So then we'll do Magnet. So we'll just do a green and purple here. Whew, this is such a great palette. Alright, so here is my funky look. That completes this collaboration, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Now, just to wrap up a few products that I used, I finished my face. I did my normal blush, type of highlighter, all that jazz, but just to make my lips a little more funkier, I went in with the Smashbox, and this is their foiled lipstick in Brat, and it gives such a really nice shine when it hits the light. So I thought this would be a perfect combination with the eye look. What do you guys think? And so yeah, that really is it. On my waterline, I am wearing the ColourPop Zulu. I just cannot put that down, and everything just came together so wonderfully. I am so excited to see what the girls in this group have done, what palettes they chose, what kind of look they created. I feel like I am just part of such a creative little group, and it's great. I am so happy, and I'm so blessed to have you three ladies in my life. You guys are just such a breath of fresh air, and it's just so lovely when I get to sit and just chat with you guys about anything and everything. So please make sure to go check out their videos. I have definitely left their channel and their videos linked down below. And with that being said, let me know what you think about the look I created, the colors I used, the combinations, anything about this video. Let's get to chatting down in the comments below. I do love chatting with every single one of you, and that's all I have. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Gotta be careful because the lips are sticky. Bye.